Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about XYO network guys. In this video I'm talking about the XYO price chart. What changes occur in the XYO in September? What changes occur in the XYO in August? What will be the changes of XYO in October guys? Let me show you uh, the future of XYO. In this video we predicate XYO future. So keep watching this video complete for more and better understanding. And guys, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos guys. Now guys, first of all, if you talk about the price of XYO in the market right now, so 0.050214 USD dollar. That is a right now price of XYO. Furthermore, if you talk about the changes of XYO, so 474.72%. 400% the price changes is positive. That's mean that 100x profit, you can easily get 100x profit in a XYO network. And right now situation, XYO is a unique crypto in the market which is only a profitable. Except of XYO network, all crypto, all coin is going negative, going in the lows. Yet the XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, these all coin in a right now situation going negative guys. But XYO you can see 400% positive, so that's mean that it's a profitable. Anyways guys, other side, if you talk about the price of XYO, so just let me zoom it. You can see here from 9 September the XYO price pump, and yet they are in the pumping mode. They can't stop this pump because that is a long-term project. That is a long-term project. I also recommend for you in my many videos also that please invest in XYO because that is good for investment. Now a lot of people message me that what is the best coin to buy now, what is the best coin to buy now. So in a right now situation, XYO is really a best coin for investment because you can see here now they are in the pumping mode. You can see, and also the future is also clear about XYO. You can see here they go straight to the moon guys. That is my prediction. Only jump soaker in September. The September month of XYO is clear that that is a profitable month. Only and only jump soaker XYO in September. So guys, never decide to sell XYO in a right now situation. Other side, for short-term investor, I also told those people who's buy XYO on 25 August, on 28 August, on 1st September, so they can sell. But those people who's invest in it right now, so don't sell you. Hope you like this update video guys. Please subscribe now our channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching. Stay free and awesome.